Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily updates on Jasmy. And we finally got our bullish breakout, right? If you watch my videos, you know that I've been talking basically since Jasmy got up here last week Thursday. I've been talking about this range right here between 2.25 and 1.95 cents ultimately. And that we were waiting for a breakout. Yesterday, what I said is that it looked more and more likely. Even though with that candle, which looked very bullish yesterday, we actually rejected off of the resistance. But it looked more and more likely that we would break above that. Ultimately, if you see a price structure like this, all right, so if you see a lot of momentum initially and then a rally, so for example, also what you saw right here, a lot of momentum, consolidation, usually, especially in bullish market circumstances, that continues with another rally. All right, so what I said yesterday, and it feels good to be right about that because I still remember saying that we were going to drop down from here. Yesterday, what I said is that I thought it was most likely that 2.25 would break, which happened yesterday evening, quite late. And was obviously also helped a lot by Bitcoin, which is very, very bullish right now. But ultimately, we did get that breakout and we got up to our price target at 2.75 cents, which is a bit of a psychological level. Just in general, in that area, you also have quite a lot of resistance, right? So that was our price target. We hit that. So now the question is, what's next? All right. I would say, first of all, that there is still a lot of resistance up there. So if you look at that entire level around 3 cents, which I do think 2.75 cents is a part of, still is a lot of resistance. But the thing is that we did get a bullish breakout. And so far, even though we had a bit of a spike down, like I said, strong resistance, but apart from that, Bitcoin also got a little bit of a pullback overnight. But now the big question is what's next? And the simple answer for me is more bullish momentum. But when I say that, I do want to notify you about something, and I think you already know, but right now, the markets are just incredibly over leveraged. All right, so if you look at Jasmy, it's 0.12% that you have to pay in funding fees every funding round. So that's 3 times a day. That's high. All right, so what that means is that, sure, the markets right now are super bullish. All right, Bitcoin is very bullish. We're rallying. But the thing is, especially with Bitcoin dominance like this, is that if Bitcoin gets one minor pullback, that's going to result in a big spike down for most cryptos. Now, I don't think that's a problem for Jasmy. I think ultimately now this entire support level between 2 and 2.25 cents is strong enough to hold that. But you should be prepared for that, all right? Just to tell you. But at this moment, if we really zoom into the numbers for Jasmy, what you'll see is that the open interest has fallen down a bit, but the open interest in general is making higher highs, higher lows. So I would say that it's most likely that we'll continue going up. I don't think we have that much momentum that we can instantly break out again. But right now, the pattern that we're seeing for Jasmy, which is, I mean, in general, if the market circumstances were less bullish, I would be scared about this, right? Because what you see is that the open interest is getting lower each time. So there's some sort of a divergence here, all right? Because the open interest, so the amount of capital in open positions, is getting lower each time, and the price is getting higher each time. So there is a divergence, which I don't like. But right now, the thing is that the market is so bullish that I would be foolish to say that we're going to drop. But just in general, just be careful. Like if 2 cents breaks as a support, if we really get a close below that, we're in some trouble. But for now, like I said, even though the open interest is going up, this is basically the pattern it has followed. Every time the momentum goes up, then we see a drop in that, so we are losing momentum, but the price just keeps its support level, keeps consolidating, and then eventually rallies up higher. So for me, at this moment, even though I think you should be prepared for a spike and a drop down, I still think it's most likely that we'll just follow that trajectory again. So we'll find support at 2.25 cents, we'll consolidate, and eventually, when we gain some momentum again, we'll rally up to 3 and 3.2 cents. So that's what I think is most likely. Now, I will keep you updated on this daily, of course. And like I said, if we do get close to a bearish breakout below 2 cents, which is our ultimate support right now, I would start worrying. But for now, there's no indication. All right. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments as well. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.